Today I was cooking with Chef BoBo, and we were cooking shrimp alfredo.
What's cooking? I am Chef BoBo. I am the owner of Bobo's Chicken Shack. We've been in business here in Rochester about 10 years now. The reason why I chose shrimp alfredo is because it's something that is quick, also affordable. So if they're home and they want a real decent, good meal, they can make it from scratch.
It was pasta, noodles, shrimp. I had put broccoli and tomatoes in mine with heavy cream and some seasonings, other seasonings. I was so happy because I'm a big fan of alfredo. It's my favorite dish in the world. It's my top food.
I want to put y'all on game, you know what I'm saying? In cooking, it's like a finesse. You got to be able to finesse your meal. And remember, when y'all cook, your flavor comes from your seasoning. If your seasoning ain't good, your food ain't gonna taste good.
Seasoning the shrimp was the best part. We put Szechuan in it, so it made the noodles a bit redder.
Help you out a little bit. Let me show you how to do it. We're doing a bobo salt bae. Like that. I made the basket, right? One more time. There you go.
My experience is that it felt like something new because, I actually never really cook as much as I do now in the kitchen. So this is like my first experience actually cooking. So it was kind of nice. It was very fun.
So whenever you get to your station, we're gonna pop these things and break them in half. Break them in half, take the top off, put it not on the stove, off the stove. Put it in. Oh yeah. I did the same thing. Oh yeah? Take the pasta. All right now. So you want a little thick to yours? Yeah. I got some slices over there. All right. You want some? Yeah. All right, I got you.
I was really excited because at home I cooked shrimp. I put a little bit of crushed red pepper in it, paprika, and I put a little bit of extra cheese in it though, so it could be a little bit more cheesier than the rest, but that's about it.
And so now I'm gonna have y'all come get your noodles. Y'all ever made shrimp alfredo at home? No? You have? How did you make your cream, or you had the bottle?
I used the bottle.
Oh, okay, all right.
I would normally make it with the can of alfredo. So making it from scratch is definitely cool and new to me. Yeah, I'm gonna teach my grandmother how to do it too, so she can make it for me sometime.
But now I'm about to show you how to make your own sauce, your own cream sauce, okay? So we made our heavy cream sauce. We seasoned up our shrimp. We also have fresh broccoli, noodles and things of that nature. So it's just a great experience, and I wanted to give them a token to take home whether or not they want to finesse a plate of shrimp alfredo. So that's why I chose that dish. Something short, sweet, where it don't take all day to make it, but it's something fundamental and it's something that's great. Now we're gonna season our meat. All right, that's the next step to making shrimp alfredo. Now, in cooking, you gotta get your hands dirty. All right, you can't be afraid to get your hands dirty, as long as you're washing your hands. So we're gonna mix this bad boy up. That's it, easy, mix it up.
I love the Future Ready program. It has been something new that I have always wanted because I've used to have trouble making friends because of my personality, but I think I found just the people here for me.
So I wanna show you a trick. Now, I know you ain't ready for it yet, but once you get there, okay? Now add a little more cheese, and then get your tongues and mix it around.
Thank you for having me, and it was very fun to be here.
All right, thank y'all. So I want y'all to enjoy it. It was a pleasure being here with you guys today, and hopefully y'all invite me back. I can show you how to make some fried chicken, some bobo chicken. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?